Most of the territorial authorities in New Zealand are now requiring that water is detained. Most of that is around protecting streams and protecting the environment. What we have here are the Aquacomb pods. They are going to be installed over here on this construction site. These are the holes that are drilled at the factory depending on the layout that's been determined for the particular job. These are elastomeric seal, so they're a flexible compound, silicon compound, perfectly safe for water or drinking water. Most of the territorial authorities in New Zealand are now requiring that water is detained. Most of that is around protecting streams and protecting the environment. It's also to protect council infrastructure because of the increased development and the increased intensity of that development. It means that there's a lot more grass being turned into concrete and steel, so water comes off that area at a greater rate and at a faster flow. Putting it in the floor slab means that the area that's covering the land is being used to detain the water. If you use a big buried tank, for example, you've got much greater costs of installation. You've also got much greater costs of things like engineering for the surcharge on tight sites. And also, as sites get smaller, an above ground tank becomes less and less attractive. 250 litre pods, and this would have been probably about a day's production. The beauty of these products is that they're all able to be completely recycled. 100% of any rejects all get destroyed and then reused again. When it came off the mould, they immediately tried to make it pop. They used compressed air at a far greater rate than any water is ever going to be in the product. When they get to cut the holes in the product, we'll then do a thickness test on the plastic to ensure it's a minimum of 4 millimetres thick all the way around the pod. Then it gets a serial number. We can then track that through the whole process to each installation.
I grew up as a Kiwi kid down the back of the section eeling and catching fish, and I want my son to be able to do that as well. So, I really believe in the product and I can endorse it wholeheartedly.